Okay, here's a quick tip for you guys that are working on snowblowers. Yeah, a lot of the times I like to tip them up like that. You should have a prop stand behind it or whatever because it could fall, but when you want to work on the motor on this side, like the recoil, or just get at the gears or whatever, this makes it a lot easier to do. Make sure your fuel's shut off though. And I think this is off, yeah. So this one has a bad recoil. That one will be fixed. This one needs carb work and all that, but I was just showing you, you find the balance point and then you can kind of work on it pretty good. So, alrighty, there's my tip of the day for snowblowers. If you want to get at, the side of it, the back of it, all the wheels and stuff, you just tip her up on the front and get something to stand in here. I got it balanced on snow, but it's not safe like this, obviously, but that's how to do her. Make sure your dogs are not around or you got a deadfall trap. Alrighty. I hope this helps some guys working on their snowblower. Stay tuned, subscribe, blah, blah, blah.